Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Oil spill, Manor gas station. Yeah, this morning. That is a St. Andrew. You know that parish where they right beside Kingston, or Kingston the inside of that parish, you know. Yeah, so that is St. Andrew, Jamaica, Manor Park. It's in Constant Spring. A truck come up to do them refill at the total gas station, and something go wrong with one at the pump at the front. You know, the front pump where it just start gush out all of the fuel, and the fuel just spread right across the whole gas station. You know, basically running straight through the place. So you know how dangerous that is. I mean, just one flick of a cigarette, or just one gash or one spark, even a backfire from out of a vehicle, and you know what that mean. You see me? Dangerous something, yo. So the fire crew, you see me, half for 3 fire crew did it. You see me, I say assist and I try to get rid of certain things while going right about now. You see me, I say most of the cleanup almost finished, but you know, you still have to be cautious and careful. You see me, so for those who are get them refill at Manor Park or Constant Spring, yeah, you don't need to know what going on. So if you no car not good, you no bother go there with the old car and go start fire. Alright? Alright, you don't know. You don't know, say Dancehall keep on posted. As I say, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Skilla, and this way you watch Dancehall ENT. On the big up on yourself. You see it.